Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Imagine having a lightweight, compact, and portable truck that can effortlessly handle your heavy loads. From moving boxes and furniture to transporting equipment or supplies, this hand truck is a game changer for movers, delivery professionals, or anyone needing a reliable lifting solution. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of folding hand truck on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Max weight 330 pounds. This is a folding hand truck which is made of aluminum alloy and plastic. Let COOCHEER rugged Dolly helps moving heavy boxes, luggage, and more, providing you with an easy shopping experience and a happy outing work. Wheeled carts can hold 330 pounds and 2-wheeled carts can hold 220 pounds. This portable hand truck made from strong metal and resin. The foldable Dolly comes with 5 solid rubber flat-free tires, wheels for maximum stability while in use and create no noise and roll smoothly. Easy to store and carry. The folding size of this hand cart is 25.03 x 18.03 x 4.6 inches. Weight's about 18 pounds. Can fold down flat for easy transport and storage in car trunk, under a bed, in a closet, storage rooms or garages. Thickened nylon will frame to bear heavier weight. Reinforced internal springs reduce unnecessary bounce. Use of cast iron technology at the joints. The cart can be easily converted from a 4-wheel cart to a 2-wheel cart, which is flexible and suitable for various scenarios. Quick conversion with no pins or tools, only takes a few seconds to switch to a 2-wheeled upright cart or a 4-wheeled foldable cart. Number 2. Made of solid construction with customized plastic base plate, thickened stainless steel handle, 6 rubber casters, this folding hand truck can hold up to 500 pounds capacity. Weighing only 8.6 pounds, folding size, 12.40 by 17.24 by 4.53 inches, expansion size, 12.40 by 22.64 by 4.53 inches. This foldable Dolly cart is easy to fold or unfold in a few seconds. Thanks to a unique and innovative fold flat design, this foldable Dolly cart is convenient for carrying or easy storage. The telescoping handle has 3 different height arbitrary switching. Lift the telescoping handle up and push the button on the handle. It can be extended from 15.35 to 34.45 inches. You can choose the proper height according to holding small or larger size stuff. In addition, the hand truck Dolly comes with 2 elastic ropes, which are great for safely carrying large boxes, heavy items, luggage, groceries, etc. 6 aging resistance rubber casters with 360 degrees rotation top plate, great in mechanical strength and loading capacity. Number 3. Made from aluminum alloys, a rugged construction with a thick stainless steel frame and 4 premium wheels, this foldable hand truck can withstand up to 330 pounds. Premium wheels make your life more enjoyable by rolling smoothly without making noise. Made of compact and sturdy materials, can hold up to 330 pounds capacity. Large anti-skid platform and shovel board ensure stable operation of goods, carry more and does not fall off. Please place goods in the middle of the truck base and mind your speed during use. Also walk slowly when you are using it on a rough road. The platform hand truck is suitable for shopping, business travel, cargo handling, luggage moving, outdoor carry, warehouse cargoes delivery, moving house, office daily use and so on. This foldable hand truck can be folded up easily in few seconds. When folded up, the size is 26.8 x 15.9 x 3.15 inches. The weight is about 14 pounds, thanks to a unique and innovative fold flat design. Handle telescopes up to 36.2 inches for convenient load handling. Hand grip is covered with soft rubber foam for comfort and added grip strength. Number 4.
Number 5.
Can be folded up easily in few seconds. With the compact size and lightweight 3.9 pounds, you can put this daily hand truck into the backpack after folded and won't feel heavy. Labor-saving tips: please push the extended handle to the base first when folding the handle, then shrink the extended long handle. Heavy duty and durable. The drawbar is made of thickened steel material, which is more durable than other hand trucks. This folding hand cart can hold up to 270 pounds capacity and not easy to shake when pulling. To ensure the stability, we suggest customers to place the goods in the middle of the truck base and mind your speed during using. Also walk slowly when you are using it in rough road. Dolly luggage cart with high quality tank wheels. Upgraded tank wheels are 3 times more durable than other rubber wheels in the market, which are more wear resistant, noiseless and long using life. Utility cart with adjustable bungee cord and larger capacity backpack. Flat bungee band, adjustable, wider, longer and more durable. You can adjustable length according to demand. Super stretch up to 188 inches. Perfect for carrying large size boxes, heavy stuff, packages, goods. Also, you can put your hand truck in the attached backpack. Size, L:25.2"/H:16.5 inch, saving you energy and time. Large base plate made of thick and high quality PP plastic. This hand truck dolly can hold up large size groceries and luggage at ease.